User Control Panel is a visual way of controlling the way your phone works. This is how to set up your control panel for the first time. The first thing you want to do is go to your web address that is assigned to you by your system administrator. After that, we click on User Control Panel, and we will put our username and password that are also given to us by our system administrator. Once we go into the UCP for the first time, it will look like this, where there's really nothing there. So the first thing we have to do is go to the top right corner, click on plus, and then create a dashboard. For this one, I will call it main. Once the dashboard is created, the next step is to go to the left plus side, and we start adding our widgets. For the purposes of this one, I'm going to add call forwarding. I'm going to add follow me. Then I'm going to add faxing. Then call history. Then finally we're going to add voicemail. Once you have all the widgets you want, you can start moving them around and size them the way you like. So as you can see here, I'm just moving the widgets around so they're in kind of the format that I like. Once you have everything lined up the way you want, then we can go through each individual widget and describe what each of them do. Goodbye for now.